The 2024 Hyundai Elantra, known as the Avante in South Korea, has been fully detailed with a range of updates and features. The global model is expected to receive the same updates later this year, and the South Korea spec model has gone on sale today. One of the key features of the updated Avante is the inclusion of a built-in dashcam, mounted at the top of the windshield. The footage from the dashcam can be sent to either the infotainment screen or directly to a smartphone. Another significant update is the compatibility of mobile devices running on iOS or Android to function as a digital key. Owners can lock and unlock the Korean Elantra and share usage rights with up to 7 people. The air conditioning system has been improved with a feature called afterblow to reduce mold growth. This technology, introduced in 2020, dries the AC by activating for 10 minutes after the engine is turned off, and condensate has drained naturally for about 30 minutes. The afterblow system includes a sensor to prevent battery drain. The sensor can detect when the battery is running low and stop the afterblow from draining it completely. The system won't be activated in low outside temperatures or when the AC hasn't been used for an extended period. In South Korea, the Avante Elantra offers a naturally aspirated 1.6-liter gasoline engine with 121 horsepower and 114 pound-feet of torque. Alternatively, buyers can opt for a 1.6 LPI engine that runs on liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. Newly designed air curtains in the front bumper aim to improve fuel efficiency. The Elantra N is expected to receive similar updates by the end of this year or in 2024. Hyundai has already announced plans for a next-generation performance version with a combustion engine. Styling revisions focus on the front end, with a smaller grille, slimmer headlights, and larger bumper intakes for improved cooling and aerodynamics. However, the Avante does not feature the full-width LED treatment seen on most other Hyundai models. Inside, updates are limited to new color material combinations and a few new equipment additions. The digital dashboard, dual 10.25-inch screens, and bio-friendly processed leather upholstery in black/beige/sage green remain unchanged. New features include the digital key function, climate control function for reducing humidity and odors, additional airbags, up to 8, and the built-in dashcam. The car also comes with a Bose premium audio system, wireless charging pad, and heated ventilated seating options. In South Korea, the Hyundai Avante offers petrol, LPG, and hybrid powertrain options. The suspension has been upgraded for a more refined ride, but no information has been released regarding the sportier N-Line and N variants expected in the US range. The facelifted Hyundai Avante is now available for order in South Korea, with prices ranging from $15,287 for the entry-level smart trim of the petrol model to $24,979 for the flagship inspiration trim of the hybrid model. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.